in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust your mouse cursor appearance on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select mouse pointer and touch. And then you can adjust all of your mouse cursor settings here, as well as the size, the appearance by clicking that drop down, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.